When was the last time your cat got a Pap smear? Yeah, I think we definitely had the energy.
I was thinking about my cat the whole time.
Oh, that's really sweet.
A smear cat.
Cat Pap.
I was thinking about Evan. Your Evan. And how's your Evan doing?
Some people find it really weird listening to cat the same name.
But you guys spell it totally differently.
Yeah, some of them with an I.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's with an E.
Mine's with a Q. Okay, Meredith, we've had enough practice. Jesus. I had the energy that time.
I know you washed your hair today.
Look, I know you're an Aquarius, but I'm sorry.
Whatever, guys.
Yeah, I just kind of blank. I'll make really. No, I don't want to do that.
When was the last time your cat got a Pap smear?
Wait, I like it when. Sorry. I like it when you say it and then point because it doesn't make any sense. Sorry.
Okay.
Shit. Pussy. Seriously.
When was the last time your cat got a Pap smear?
I'll make really. No, I don't want to do that.
Okay.